This vacuum cleaner is going to forever change how you do your cleaning. Let's get into it. Let's start with the key specs so you know exactly what you're getting with this model. First off, you get 70 minutes of runtime in the eco mode, which is enough to clean your entire place twice without stopping or having to recharge. Just for reference, my house is 1,500 square feet and the battery lasts on normal mode the entire time I am cleaning. It has a smart detection system built in. It automatically senses things like dirt, edges, floor type, and even which direction you're pushing it in. And it's cool because it just adjusts the suction power for whatever surface that you're on. You literally don't have to think about anything. The auto empty base is a feature that just makes everything perfect for guys. Every time you dock it, it sucks all the debris out into this back bin here, which is a sealed reservoir, which can hold up to about 45 days worth of dirt. You don't have to touch it, you don't have to think about it, it just handles itself. Which also means disposal is super easy. As a dude, dealing with bags sucks. You just dock the chamber to the trash and empty it, and that's it. It has a 10.2-inch cleaning path with an LED dirt revealing headlight so you can actually see the dust that you're missing. Which honestly, I thought was super dumb when I first tried it, but you know what? It actually works really well. It also has this Multiflex wand that just bends right here in the middle, so you can get under your couch and bed without getting on your hands or knees. It also comes with a few extra tools like a crevice tool, a motorized hand tool, and an anti-allergen brush. All right, here are the pros and why this is a no-brainer for you guys out there. Number one is you simply just don't have to empty it. The auto empty dock does it after every single use. Whether it's for your bachelor pad or studio, this is a massive quality of life win. Number two, the suction is very legit. Independent testing named it the best overall cordless vacuum of 2025. It aced in both hardwood floor and carpet deep cleaning tests. Whether you've got hardwood, tile, or a rug, this thing can handle it all. Number three, it just works awesome on like every surface. Cleaning solid surfaces like hardwood or tile, it works perfect on. I was amazed at how easily it glided across carpet, and I was astonished at how easily it pulled up so much debris out of my shag carpet rug. This thing dominates like every surface I've ever put it on. Number four, it cleans forward and backwards. Most vacuums push dirt around on the back stroke. This one picks it up in both directions, so you're actually cleaning faster. Number five, even though it doesn't look like it, it's actually compact enough for small spaces. It docks upright on the cleaning base station, so it takes up almost no floor space, which is why it's perfect for something like a studio or a 1 or a 2 bedroom living space. Number six is the no-tangle heads. So many users complain about long debris and hair getting tangled in the cleaning heads. Not this one. I've tested it extensively on girls who just love to take and toss out their hair and put it on my floor, and their fur babies that they bring over to my home. I have never had a single tangle issue. I mean, just look at how clean the heads are, and I've been using this thing extensively for 6 months. And number seven, you get all these advanced features at a more affordable price. The Shark Power Detect Reveal is on sale between $350 to $450, where its competition starts around the $500 mark and goes way up. Are those models more powerful? Yes, but honestly, not by much. Now, if you're interested in getting one, I did you a favor and I put links down below in the video description for the best time and place you can get yours today. Now, you might be wondering, are there any cons? You know, there are a few things I want to make you aware of. The biggest one would have to be that it doesn't do super well for edge cleaning on the front side because of this front bumper here, which means it's going to prevent it from getting super close, which means you might have to do 1 or 2 passes to get it super clean, which isn't a deal breaker, but I want you to know. Number two, the runtime on this significantly drops when you put it in boost mode. That 70-minute time number I gave you earlier is for eco mode only. If you crank this thing up into boost mode, it will clean so amazingly well, but it'll only last right around 20 minutes, which is a real shame because boost mode on this thing is freaking awesome. Number three, I'm not a fan of where you change modes because it's on the trigger here and you will accidentally change modes often if you're pushing harder or more aggressively with this. So you just gotta be mindful of where you put your fingers. Number four, the battery indicator here on the back is probably the worst design I've ever seen. I hope they fix this in future models going forward. Bottom line, if you're a single guy living in a studio, a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom, and you want to vacuum less and clean better, the Shark Power Detect Reveal is the move to do. The auto empty feature alone makes it worth it for the low maintenance lifestyle. Now, if you're looking for more dude-approved buys from me, you know what to do. Go down below, leave me a comment, hit subscribe, and if you're thirsty for something right now to watch, check out the videos over to my side where I show you plenty of cool things you can add to your life. And I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, and of course, peace.